I've never actually seen this set in real life, like ever, and I'm not gonna lie. Like this particular keyboard, it doesn't look that bad. All right, we are doing, what, is this the Ghost colorway, by the way? I think it is, yeah, it's the Ghost colorway. So, fun little Bauer we're doing today because we are using some vintage Cherry MX switches, which by the way, Juno, I know you didn't want them to be filmed, well, you put filmed, but then I know you didn't send any, but I have some extra ones lying around. I don't have many films lying around, to be honest, so this is not something I regularly do, but I was testing them via film and not film. They sound so much better with filmed, man, so I just filmed them too. I hope there's no cost to you on those, bro. That's not, I love vintage switches. They sound real good, and I was pretty excited for these. I don't think I've tried a Bauer Lite with vintage switches, so. All right, so we have the Bauer Lite. I haven't done this color on stream yet. The rainbow thing is from the filter that I have on the camera. So the rainbow thing is actually not visible. It's because I have a polarizer on it. So that oil refraction is not actually there. It's the polarizer I have on that particular lens to cut down on glare. That is not an actual real world thing you'll see. I've been lied to. So Juno, actually, did you want to use the PC plate or did you want to use the aluminum? Totally up to you. I haven't built a Bauer Lite with aluminum yet. Let's do aluminum, Juno. I haven't done an aluminum plate Bauer Lite, but I have a feeling it's gonna slap, so. What kind of sound differences do you notice with films? They're a bit deeper. Right, now the tough part with vintage switches is feeding these delicate pins into hot swap sockets. Dude, this is gonna be such a nice sounding board. Let's tune it up a little bit. Alrighty. That's the little build book. By the way, if you guys do get Bauer Lites, can I just say, shout out to OmniType. This little build guide, if you guys end up building it yourself, or if you want to commission something like this ever from someone, this build guide's lovely. Like, it's such a cute build guide, so it's one of the few boards that has like such a good build guide in it. Big fan of my Bauer Lite. Got some lubed milky yellows pros. Oh, it sounds real nice. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, I love my lubed milky yellows. And put these gaskets in, very nice. Because this is a clear one, and I want to make sure it looks very even. Beautiful. Gaskets have been applied, and I think I did them perfect. Let's put some bumpers on, shall we? This is literally my least favorite part about the Bauer. It's just getting the screws in. For your merch drop, how do you feel about toe socks? What are toe socks? Like they just cover your toes? Like a foot glove? No, sorry guys. I don't know why that sounds really, to me at least, like uncomfortable. Would I need sizes for that? I think socks would be cool though, for sure. But I'll do, like I said, I'll do shirts. I'm thinking about doing sweaters. I think it's the wrong time of year for sweaters, but I might do sweaters. And I'm trying to get shorts. So there'll be a few things hopefully. Ooh, this is dude. So I've not built this color yet. And I will say this is already looking pretty cool. Memory serves, I don't think the Bauer has RGB though. This looks nice. Shorts on my endgame shorts. Oh, Alex shorts on my endgame shorts. I'm trying to find a company that'll let me do it in orange. Then not also charge me an arm and a leg. The new Bauer colors do look really good. This is Ghost, yeah. I'm so curious what this is gonna sound like with vintage switches in it. I legitimately think the vintage switches cost more than the Bauer Lite here, which is crazy. That does look really cool though. All right, let's oh, I forgot. The customer today, our client today, sent us some keycaps. GMK Deku, which we have to open. This was based off of shoot, what is it called? What was the anime called? My Hero Academia. Was it My Hero Academia? Yeah, I think it was. I heard there's like 17,000 seasons of that enemy right now, which is crazy. Naruto or some shit. They did a decent job with these, I guess. Season 7, So Gas. Yeah, no spoilers for anyone who actually watches it. Plus Ultra. Alright. I think that's really all the novelties I can use. I was going to put one of these green ones up here, but I think it would kind of throw it off a little bit. Okay, you know what? I've never actually seen this set in real life, like ever, and I'm not going to lie. I actually really didn't even like this set. But on the board, it does, like this particular keyboard, it doesn't look that bad. How do you guys feel about this set? I actually think it suits this board very well. Looks nice. It slaps on this one. I dig it. Yeah, I think it actually does slap on this one here. I think if this was anything else, I probably wouldn't have liked it. All right. Slaps unbiased, by the way. True. Ooh. Okay, so this is an aluminum plate. Again, there are some switches I need to replace, like the J, the G, and I think the U. Some of the switches are a little bit crooked. They're vintage switches. I think this is even an older batch. I don't remember which particular batch it is. Aluminum plate, Bauer Lite, no foam, GMK keycaps. Ooh, I like the cherry switches on this. I'm gonna tune up this a little bit more on the right side, but ooh, I like the scratch here. It works very nice. Now I have a question. Juno, can I change the spacebar? I have an idea for the spacebar. Do you mind if I change it to a different switch for you? The alphas are sounding really good. Ooh, that's a nice backspace. Nice enter as well. Yeah, I think we changed the spacebar to something else. Let's see what we got. Let's see what'll work well with this. Yeah, I'm thinking a long pole switch for this, actually. I think we kind of skip right to a long pole switch. Although, I'm going to be honest, I think I moved some of my big bowl of switches somewhere. I have some, but we're going to try a few. We're going to try a few different switches here. We're going to start off with the cream soda, because that's actually what I'm thinking straight out the rip here. Ooh, that sounds nice, dude. This is hitting. This is definitely hitting with this. It pairs very well with the alphas too, right? Juno, it's obviously up to you. I'm gonna give you some of the switches here, Juno. You can just play around with it how you feel fit. Oh, the cream soda sounds amazing. It pairs super well, actually. Oh, on the spacebar specifically? Yeah, it sounded a little thin on the spacebar. I'm not gonna bullshit. Like, it sounds super thin on the spacebar. And that's why right away when I heard this, I'm like, oh, this could use a deeper switch. What about swapping the vintage Cherry MX Black stem for a cream stem on the spacebar? That'd be interesting too. I need to see if I even have any of those laying around. But yeah, that could be an interesting combo. Yeah, tune it just a smidge more on the right side though. But damn, this sounds really good. It does look good with this set, right? I'm not going crazy. Like, I think normally on any other keyboard I would have hated this set. Damn, it's nice. This looks really good. Bauer Lite so good for the price? Yeah, I think so too. It turned out really, really nice. I'm very happy with it. I hope Juno is also happy with it. I really like the modifiers on this. Damn, very nice. Deku on a white keyboard? Deku on white keyboard would look nice too. Hard agree on a color this set would clash unless the case matches. Well, I think this is like such a good combo because it kind of has some stuff going on, and I don't know, I just feel like this just works. Pretty happy with this. The aluminum plate definitely makes a big difference. I think if we didn't go alu, this would have sounded a bit more, I would say deep or plasticky, which is not a bad thing, by the way. Everyone has different preferences. But I think this kind of adds a bit of a sharpness to it, a bit more high end. I just use cherry clip-ins, my favorite stabilizer. Bye, everybody. See ya. Ooh, I like the cherry switches on this. I'm gonna tune up this a little bit more on the right side, but ooh, I like the scratch here. It works very nice.